My name is Corinne Ray. I'm the Chief Visionary Officer at Hobo.
My name is David Brewer, and I am the CEO of Hobo.
We design wonderful quality handbags and small leather goods using wonderful materials, and we're very careful to design each and every one of our signature bags with loads of purposeful details that make our bags not only stylish but very practical, perfect accessory for every day. It's been quite a step for us to move into this wonderful space. But what's wonderful about this space is that we've been able to combine all of our departments, our design, our marketing, sales, customer service, and accounting, together with our warehouse and distribution facilities.
So it's been a delight working with Merit to find this space and pull all of that together. Being a creative company, we were always very focused on what the ambiance and the feeling of the offices would be.
We were very fortunate to work with Merit. We had a dedicated designer who really listened to our needs. We were looking for a space that was kind of cool and quirky, that had a certain casual kind of air to it. We wanted to be sure that the environment reflected our brand. I think that Merit brought us absolute fabulous options, from the flooring to the lights that turn on automatically.
Merit, I think, is really kind of on the cutting edge for LEED buildings and eco-friendly buildings. And even though we were retrofitting an existing space, I think we worked together on finding as many ways as we could to leave, the smaller carbon footprint. So on top of nicely designed.
Yes, and looking very cool as well.